Are you looking for the best air conditioners? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best air conditioners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Midea U-shaped air conditioner, 12,000 BTU. If you're looking to cool a space smaller than 550 square feet, we recommend the 4.4-star rated Midea U-shaped air conditioner. It runs quietly, operating at less than 32 dB, offers 12,000 BTUs of cooling power and features a U-shaped design that makes it simple to install in most windows. We chose this air conditioner as our top pick, because among its features are a dust filter and DC inverter technology that uses 35% less energy, compared with traditional AC units from competitors. Our favorite feature, however, is the unit's smart functionality. Instead of using the included remote control, you can run this air conditioner with a specialized app on your iOS or Android smartphone, or using voice commands if you have an Amazon Alexa smart speaker or home hub. And yes, this air conditioner has received Energy Star certification and is competitively priced. What more could you possibly want from an air conditioner that'll keep you cool all summer long? Number 2. Midea Duo MAP14HS1TBL, 14,000 BTU. The Midea Duo portable air conditioner is not only relatively quiet, generating no more than 42 dB of sound, but it's also mighty, with 14,000 BTUs of cooling power that can cover up to 550 square feet of living space. Control it with a handheld remote, dedicated mobile app or voice commands. This unit measures 16.73 by 19.53 by 34.48 inches. It uses a dual hose-in-hose design that intakes fresh air and releases exhaust outdoors. The single combo hose allows for balanced air circulation indoors and prevents hot outside air from seeping in through gaps. The unit's design also cools your living space up to 2 times faster than some competing portable AC models. And as an added bonus, the Midea Duo serves as a portable heater, so you can use it in any season. Number 3. Amazon Basics Portable Air Conditioner, 10,000 BTU. As part of its popular Amazon Basics product line, Amazon makes a portable air conditioner which customers absolutely love. It has earned a solid 4-star rating and features on-board wheels and side handles to help move it from room to room. Hot air is let out through a window using the unit's expandable outtake hose. It comes with a venting kit with ceiling, side panel leaf covers, bracket and a handheld remote. You also get 3 speeds, 3 cooling settings and an automatic timer, which gives it versatile cooling capabilities. Ideal for an average size room, up to 450 square feet, this Amazon Basics portable AC unit offers 10,000 BTUs of cooling power. It measures 18 by 28 by 14 inches and weighs about 60 pounds. Number 4. GE Profile CearView, 6,100 BTU. We all know GE as the company that since 1982 has been bringing good things to life. And in this case, the goodness comes from having a cool room during the hottest and most humid days of summer. This version of the popular GE Profile ClearView window air conditioner offers 6,100 BTUs of cooling power, but generates only about 41 dB of noise. This makes it ideal for smaller spaces. This model fits windows between 20 and 40 inches wide, with a minimum 13-inch opening height. It can accommodate walls between 4.5 and 13.75 inches thick. And while you get onboard controls and an included remote control, this ClearView AC unit also has smart capabilities and works with GE's Smart HQ app. This means you can remotely control the air conditioner from almost anywhere using your smartphone, or with an Amazon Alexa smart speaker or home hub. The unit offers 3 fan speeds and 4 cooling modes. Meanwhile, the ClearView design allows the unit itself to wrap around a windowsill. This means you can still look out the window and allow more natural light into the room. We like this air conditioner because it cools, circulates and dehumidifies the air simultaneously. And if 6,100 BTUs isn't enough power, a similar 8,300 BTU, $421 model is available.